Hey guys, it's Hogan here, and I wanted to do a super quick video on how to install Bitnami WordPress onto your computer because I think they've actually updated the sort of setup processes. Okay, so you can actually type in Bitnami WordPress onto Google and you can click on the first result, and then we can actually scroll down here to the Win Mac and Linux. Click on that, scroll down and download the version for your computer. Once you've downloaded that, install it onto your computer and you should get a window something like this, right? So click on the General tab here and then click on Start, and that's going to take about 60 seconds or maybe even a little bit more to set up. Okay, once you've actually done that, then what we could do is click on the Go to application. So I'm just going to wait for a few seconds. All right, so that's taken about 60 seconds to set up. Then when you actually click on the services, this should also be started as well. So you may want to click on Start All. And that is going to start up like that. And then you can go back to your General tab once it's all green. And then you can click on Go to Application. And that's going to open up your WordPress installation, right? So to log in, you can click on the bottom right here, Manage. And your username will be user, password will be Bitnami. And to log in, you can click on here, or you can actually type in wp-admin, right? And then click on enter. So what you want to do is you want to bookmark that onto your computer, right? And then you want to log in with the username and also the password they gave you here. Click on login, and then you've logged in, right? So to actually change your password and things like that, if you want to, you don't really need to because this is on your actual computer. People can't actually access it at all. So you can change it if you want to do that as well. Click on edit here, and then you can change your username and also your password. So that's pretty much for this video, and see you guys in the next video.